behind those horses. Extra 2 felt for. Mow down up the middle, followed by Ndola, is trying to get into the clear. Ruta Royale now sprints for home. 250 metres to go. A length and 3/4. Great Maximus, and then Ndola and Behaviour from a long way back. Ruta Royale, 100 metres to go, still led. Ndola's coming at Ruta Royale. Ruta Royale paddling. Ndola's diving. Head bobbing finish to the line. Ndola and Ruta Royale photo. Third in the race was Behaviour, then Great Maximus Fission. Behind them pounding. Next to finish Mow Down Highlights, an extra 2.